Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas here that I've already poured on, but it got touched and it's got some smears in it, so I'm going to pour over it. What I want to do is see if I can get some pearly cells on here with my Deco Art Extreme Sheen Metallic Gold. So I'm going to try using this as my base. And I'm going to start with my darker purple. With the magenta. This is a light magenta. And then the ultramarine blue. Get some more magenta. And some more of the ultramarine blue. Okay, and I'm just going to do a straight pour. See if there's any more left in here. Straight pour onto my canvas. Okay, here we go. Okay. Give it a torch, get the air bubbles out. Okay, so there was absolutely nothing I liked about that. It did not have enough contrast, there wasn't enough paint, I didn't have enough gold. So what I did is I went and mixed some more paint and I'm going to try it again. Save a little bit of my gold because I want to put some in the bottom of my cup. Made my paints a little bit thinner this time. Okay. Saved a little bit of gold for the bottom of my cup. And I'm going to start out with my light magenta. Got half of that. Some of my ultramarine blue. And this time I replaced the darker purple with a magenta. Then I have my Dioazine purple. Just going to go back and use what's left. Okay, looking pretty cool. And as before, dirty pour right in the middle of my canvas. Now that looks pretty cool. Okay, much better. I'm liking the contrast better, seeing a better separation of the colors. Putting that gold in the bottom brought some up. It's very nice. I give it a torch. Some air bubbles out. And now, we'll stretch it around the canvas. Bring it down to the side a bit. Bring it back to the center, because the center is looking really nice now. Bring it down to this corner. Ooh, a little too fast, a little too fast. Slow that down. If you move it too fast, then you end up blending your colors a lot. I don't really want to do that. Okay. Set that down, adjust my hands a little bit. I'm going to bring it right off that corner. Push it right back on. And then, where's my paint at? Bring it down to this corner. Push it back up on here, bring it back down to the center. Bring it just to that opposite corner, since we're moving that direction anyways. Bring it back up. Adjust my hands here. Bring it down here. Okay. Okay, I want to bring it that direction a little bit. That is more what I was looking for. I'm going to bring it towards me a little bit here. Really liking the colors at the top of it. Get rid of some of this light magenta and gold and let it develop on its own. Okay, guys. Camera had a little meltdown on me. It ran out of juice, so this has been sitting for a few minutes. I do have some nice little gold cells around the edges. They're not as round as I wanted them to be. I was hoping they'd come out like little pearl cells, but they're not. I did stretch it a little bit more. Some funky looking cells right there. All kind of interesting, some interesting little tiny cells in the blue areas. I like the way that turned out. It's all very sparkly. It'll look really pretty once it's finished. But there we have it, guys. Thanks for coming and painting with me today. Appreciate it. Don't forget to like my videos and subscribe. Share them with your friends if you know anybody that would like them as well. Thanks for visiting. Bye.